Hey folks, what we have here today is a busted Milwaukee cordless Sawzall, and we're going to try and see if we can fix it, but I'm not really too optimistic because check this out. Oops, gotta unlock it. Okay, so the motor turns, but let's look at the truck. It doesn't turn. That's not a very good sign because it means that we've got something like a major mechanical failure in here, most likely. Either the I don't know, sort of like transmission or gearing is broken, or the actual shaft coming off of the armature is broken. So let's open it up and see. Okay, so, alright, so we gotta take off these screws. Alright, so we unscrewed the armature from the gear case, and what we see is really the last thing that we wanted to see, which is the armature is actually sheared off. See that? So that's fucked. Whoops. Oh, all right, there we go. Yeah, so we need this whole guy. That sucks. And now that we have the gear casing opened up, you can see, try not to get grease all over my hands. So that's the drive pinion. That's what's sheared off. Holy crap, I'm not even sure how you get this apart. Looks like a pain in the butt. Ah, damn. So I found another cordless Sawzall of the same model number, and on this one, part of the gear case is actually broken. It's just this guide plate that goes on like that, sheared off. But the problem is when that's broken off, you're actually trying to run the Sawzall, this catches. So again, it twisted, sister. There's that. I figured out what was going on with that detent that I was talking about. So you see, here it is. Little focus. Hello. So here's the detent for the lock mechanism, and yeah, there's little grooves in the side of the trigger here, and since the ball was missing, it just got a little bearing like this and cut it open. So I cut off the races, and this is what you have, is little balls in the cage. And I just cut open the cage, got one of the balls, stuck it in there for the detent. Works great. There you go. Now it's working. Let's try it out on something. Alright, well, I got this old catalytic converter off of a car, so we gotta cut it up. Whoops, battery's dead. Yeah, see, so there's the detent now. Nice, firm, snap action. So yeah, I think definitely part of the moral of the story is Sawzalls are great, but if you don't have if you don't have a decent blade to cut some metal with, you're better off just doing it by hand. So hope you enjoyed this video, either found it useful or at least entertaining. And maybe it inspired you to repair something instead of just throwing it away. And yeah, I hope you'll take the time to like and comment. Okay, bye.